Style finally reveals Room, his first single, under same music label as Ken. Ang galing din talagang mag-prank ni Style na ang sabi pa ay nag-audition sa isang theater play at sa June 7 lalabas ang resulta, kaya nagulat talagang lahat sa paglapag niya sa kanyang balita patungkol sa kanyang first ever single titled Room.
Gusto niyo malaman yung play? So, ang title ng play na gagawin namin ay ito. Room. Ayan o, Room. Yung title niya is Room.
This will be released on June 14. And did you know that Style's first ever single is under Warner Music Philippines, the same as Ken? Pablo, Josh, and Justin are all under Sony Music Philippines. There is no conflict since only the group is exclusively under Sony Music Philippines and their solos are up to them. Buong-buo din naman ang suporta nila sa isa't isa. Kaya mga Caps, mark your calendars, June 14, 2024 for Style's Room.